up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Michelle and it is a pleasure to have you here. So today I'm going to show you guys how I personally like to clean up my client's eyebrows with concealer. So as you guys can tell, I'm actually starting off at the front of the brow, and I do this specifically so like that I'm able to create a guide for myself that I'm going to be able to follow throughout the entire brow. And then if you have any excess product, you're more than welcome to just drag that product onto the lid and use that product as a primer for eyeshadow. And then remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So once you finish one eyebrow, you're gonna go ahead and conceal the other one, and then you'll be ready to continue with your makeup look.